here's how to cut a disappearing 4-patch. I've made a basic 4-patch into navy blue and a white fabric. You can make it any size. I like to use 6.5-inch squares put together, about 1.5 inches in the middle. You just go ahead and line it up and cut it. It's a lot easier if you've got a rotary mat so that it just quickly and easily turns for your cuts. And you cut all 4 sides from the center out at 1.5 inches out. This is our 3rd cut and our 4th cut. This gives us a nice little 1.25 inch square in the middle of our disappearing 4-patch. Okay, so we've got that cut. Now what you do is you just take each one of these side blocks and turn them basically 180 degrees. And that is how you do the disappearing 4-patch. And then you just go ahead and sew it together. So it's a super easy project, perfect for beginners.